How to recover permanently deleted YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device and then search for YouTube support. So let's search for YouTube support over here. And as you do that, it will give you different options over here. You can simply tap on YouTube help over here, and as you do that, it will take you to this new page. So under how can we help you category, you can just simply tap on describe your issue and select deleted YouTube account recovery. So as you search for it, you'll be able to see a different options. So just scroll down and here you can see the different options over here. So what we can simply do is you can just tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner. Here you'll be able to see different options. So you can simply tap on help center and you can get the options over here to chat as well. So simply tap on this option over here at the bottom right which says send feedback about our help center. So tap on help content and information, and as you do that, simply tap on the describe a feedback and just describe an issue that you have deleted your YouTube account or YouTube channel and you'd want to recover it, and so on. You can also screenshot of your deleted account and then you can simply submit it. You have to mention your username or the email ID where they can contact you as well, and as you do that, they'll get in touch with you in short time. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.